The 50-30-20 rule became popular because it's simple, and simple sells. But simple isn't the same as accurate. Today we're breaking down exactly why this one-size-fits-all framework fails for a huge percentage of people, and what to use instead. A method that actually adapts to your real numbers, instead of forcing your real numbers into an arbitrary percentage. Take someone earning $60,000 a year, about $4,300 a month after taxes. The 50-30-20 rule says needs should max out at $2,150. But in many mid-sized to large U.S. cities in 2026, average one-bedroom rent alone runs $1,600 to $2,200. Add a car payment around $450, health insurance premiums of $200 to $350 for someone without full employer coverage, and groceries around $350 to $400 for one person, and needs alone can hit $2,800 to $3,400. Already blowing past the 50% target before you've spent $1 on anything discretionary. This isn't a discipline problem. It's a framework that was built assuming a cost of living ratio that doesn't match a lot of housing markets anymore. Meanwhile, someone in a lower cost of living area on the same salary might have needs at only 38 to 42%, making the rule too loose for them, leaving room they're not using. Instead of starting with fixed percentages, start with your actual fixed costs, then build savings around what's realistic, then let discretionary spending absorb whatever's left, in that order. Step 1. List every true fixed cost: rent, insurance, minimum debt payments, utilities, subscriptions you're keeping. For our $4,300 a month earner, say that's $2,900. Step 2. Set a savings target based on goals, not a blanket 20%. If there's high-interest debt, that might mean 10% to savings and 15% extra toward debt. If debt-free, maybe 15 to 20% split between retirement and an emergency fund. Say that's $650 a month here. Step 3, whatever's left, in this case $750, is discretionary spending. Guilt-free because it's genuinely what's left after needs and goals are covered. This method produces wildly different splits for different people, which is the point. A rule that ignores your zip code, your debt situation, and your specific goals was never going to fit everyone. The reason budgets fail isn't usually math, it's follow-through. The fix? Automate the savings and debt payments the day your paycheck lands, before you see the money in your checking account. If $650 automatically routes to savings and extra debt payments on payday, you're not relying on willpower at the end of the month when there's nothing left. Treat savings like a bill you can't skip, not a leftover. This single change, automation on payday versus manual transfers at month end, is one of the most reliable predictors of whether someone actually hits their savings goals, because it removes the decision entirely. To make this easier, I built a free budget template that does this reverse budgeting method automatically. You plug in your actual income and fixed costs, and it calculates a realistic savings target and discretionary number based on your real numbers, not a generic percentage. It's completely free, link and sign-up form in the description. You'll just need to enter your email to get it sent over, and I'll also send occasional updates when I release new templates or tools like this. Recap. The 50-30-20 rule fails because it assumes a cost structure that doesn't match many people's real cities and real debt situations. The better approach? Calculate your true fixed costs first, set a savings target based on your actual goals, let discretionary spending be whatever's left, and automate the transfers on payday, so it happens without relying on willpower.
Grab the free template in the description and subscribe, because Wednesday's video shows exactly how someone used a simple spreadsheet to pay off $30,000 in debt, and I'm walking through the actual spreadsheet. This video contains affiliate links, and I may earn a commission at no extra cost to you. This is not financial advice, for educational purposes only.